Dear connections, dear connections. Today we will discuss about one more important Power BI approach. One more important Power BI approach which we need to do in our day-to-day life, and this video is basically will be more helpful for those who are freshers and just joined an organization as a junior Power BI developer. So without any further delay, let's jump into my desktop and Power BI. So see, the requirement is like when you guys will work on any project, any real-time Power BI project, this kind of requirement may come. Like the requirement is client has a folder. Client has a folder path. Okay, let me show you the folder path. Yeah, client has a folder path. In that folder path, there are many Excel sheet. Under those Excel, you need to import one Excel into Power BI desktop using import mode, and also you have to use folder path. You can't use Excel. I mean, let me show you into Power BI. Like the requirement is you can't use this Excel workbook option. You have to go to get data, more, an option is there into Power BI, that is folder. You need to use this folder and you have to import that. Let's say you need to import this first Excel media dataset m2m.xlxx. Okay, you need to do this. So let's try this. So you need to at first you need to click on get data, then you need to click on more, then you will get the folder option. Or if you search folder here also folder, you will also get. Now click on connect. Now you need to give the folder path. How you will give the folder path? Click on this icon, Control C. I copied the path. Now I will go to Power BI, then Control V. Now click on OK. You can do using browse option also, but this is the more faster method. Now maximum junior Power BI developers stuck in this step. Like they are thinking why the Excel is not coming, what all these things are. Like there should be some Excel, the data, the media data set will come. Like if we select the Excel workbook, it was like that only. Now how weird the interface is, but let me clear you. This is the correct interface only. What you need to do is like you need to click on transform data directly, not load. Click on transform data. So if you click on transform data, it will directly redirect you to Power Query Editor. So see, you can see this content column. There are this green color binary row column is there. So what we need to do, we need to import media dataset m2m.xlxx. That's why you need to click on this binary. Row 1, binary word of no one, number 1. Click on the binary. Now here you need to select which table you want to import. Let's say we need to import fact media consumption. So there is a table, green table button. Like we can say it as a button. So you need to click on this table. See, now this is coming. Still some transformations we need to do. Use first row as a header. The header can't be column 1, column 2, column 3. Use first row as a header. See, everything is correct. Like, and if you want to change this data set, you can change as per the client expectation. Now we need to click on close and apply. The table after applying these changes, the table will come here. Let us wait. So like this way you need to import using folder path option. So I hope you have understood the things. Thank you very much. Let's meet in some other video in some other weekend.